What up, guys? Good morning. Beautiful Saturday here at Monster Performance, and I'm going to be up to some of my antics as normal. So there haven't been no sedan videos for a while because the sedan keep breaking. I hope y'all can hear me over the guy with the loud blow across the street. So the sedan keep breaking for some reason. Maybe because I'm pushing it too much on pump gas, I don't know, but I should have known this. I should have just did a bell bottom end off the get-go if I was gonna put turbos on it, but I didn't. So now I got tired of it sitting there and I wanna fix it. I wanna drive it, I wanna drift it, you know, because it's such a nice car and it's just there doing nothing. So we're gonna resurrect it from the dead here, from sitting in this corner. So it's sitting over here, all sad and lonely with all the other broken boys. Not really broken. It still runs, it still drives. It has a little bit of misfire, which I think it's down a cylinder. So I think we're gonna, it's locked. I was gonna show you, but it ain't nothing to see. So I think we're gonna just bring it back to life today, if possible. I got Nick in here. He gonna help me today. We're gonna try to make this happen. So let's see. And so that guy is gonna help me do all this madness. So I've mentioned in the other videos before that I have another sedan. I've had this for like 2 years. I bought it. It's like kind of rare because it's like the last year they made stick shift, but it was an accident and I never fixed it. I'm tired of seeing it sitting there. Steve's sedan needs some parts. I need some parts. I need an engine, so we're gonna make my car back NA for now until I build a bottom end because I don't have time. So the easiest thing would be swap this engine in there, put it back all NA, and then drive it, enjoy it, have fun, and daily it. That never goes as planned, but that is the plan. This car is actually pretty nice. It has everything, every option, and it was manual. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna use it. Maybe we'll just keep it around and, you know, just put another motor in it and drift it as a sedan and take it to events and stuff. I don't know. I don't want to waste a nice manual shell because this would be sick if I gut it, and yeah, I'm getting carried away. So anyways, we're gonna pull this in there. Nick's gonna snatch the engine out. Then we'll bring the red car, swap this engine into the red car, make it run by the end of the day, do donuts in the cul-de-sac, right? So we'll see y'all in a bit. Almost ready to come out, just in case for all of you guys who's probably like, damn, why don't you just fix this car, Lee? It's a whole car like Nick over here.
Oh, yeah.
The reason I've been avoiding this thing is because of all of this Johnny Rust going on the hair, you know? Look at it. I mean, we had subframe and stuff, blah, blah, blah. I should have just stripped this the first time instead of buying all that interior, but I didn't, so. We're gonna swap all the interior now.
Oh, shit, are we?
After the car runs. Yeah, so we're not even a good 2 hours in this madness. Engine's already out. Making a mess on the floor. We're gonna push this thing out, get the red one in here, and then we'll start ripping her guts out. That's not probably not appropriate, but it's YouTube. Go back. Go back. No. Yeah. All right. Come straight. Alright, leave it running for a second. Yeah, so as you can see, we down a cylinder. So we're gonna have to put it back all motor. You know, one day thing. So, not a good time. Not healthy. All you boys that want a turbo, make sure y'all go E85. Look at that. So, RIP. We out here doing the reverse turbo swap. Nigga ain't playing no games. Ain't playing no games with my car, man. Damn, I think we should just put these turbos on the next motor, man. I really think we should just take turbos both to the next motor. Give it one more rip.
No.
One more rip.
No.
On pump gas.
No.
Damn. I ain't seen this in a while. Good. Damn. Looks so good though.
No.
Yeah, that's alright. So some Moto 2 for today's coming on. This guy's here.
Don't get me on.
Hey, you gonna get your HR running today so we can do donuts?
I'm trying to beat the living shit out of it. They got battery gaskets.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so we're gonna be HR, VHR boys. Steve car out there somewhere getting fixed up also. So all motor gang, you know.
Yeah.
Put them turbos, man. I told y'all we shouldn't have put turbos on that bitch anyways.
Damn.
Damn, you gonna put it on us? Then we said that? Oh, shit.
All motor, man.
Hey, man. Well, why
I'm
you
lying.
put the camera and having that?
Alright, so both motors out. Time to just swap over what we need. We're gonna take the tranny. Oh, it's tight. We're gonna take the tranny off for this one, and we're gonna swap the clutch off for the race motor over there. You know, the race motor. That can't live. It's gonna gap. It's gonna gap that guy over there. So you think his 3.5 HR is gonna get my VHR? But he don't know we got these two motors back here on the VHR that sends it all the way. What? Chill, no selling out, bro. So he's just jealous. He's just jealous because of what's the name. So we're gonna just get this. The transmission is out. Yeah, Milwaukee for the win. Yeah, all the stuff Nick don't have. Yeah, Nick was supposed to buy this car, but he don't. Yeah, he don't need to be buying this car. Y'all say y'all want to hear me work, huh? This is what it sounds like. What?
Hey man, you let Rico know, man. Oh, there he is.
We got the whole team over here. It's like daycare and Bill 3 HRs. Hey, VHR, because Rico got a VHR out there too, man. See that? He out here.
Oh, sorry. Let me do it in Spanish. But it's still YMCA.
Yeah, so with all the VQ madness we got going on, we got good old Haitian over here going to get into his too. Come on, knock her away. No, don't knock her away, just drive it in there. Listen to this nice rod knock you got. Damn, somebody banging a wrench on there?
Yeah.
Rod knock? RIP to $400 motor. Just like last time. Go backwards. He got stuck. Backwards. Come on, you're making a mess. No. Hold on. Hold on. You're making a mess. Hold on.
Go back.
Ready? Watch the kid. Cause now he's ready. Go. Go back some more. You gotta send it. All right. That's Taj. All right. This guy. It's good. You're good. Just straight. Go back. Cool. Nasty. Well, cause you know, me and Nick got the crazy combo going on here. We fucking shit up, right? That's it. Motor going right back in. It's what? It's like 1 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock. Haitian just got here. He just started. You know what I'm saying? But we already put in the NA motor back in. Look at them factory headers. We're gonna make all the non-turbo noises.
Trumpets.
Not a good time, but we're doing it anyways. cul-de-sac party by the end of the day. Not for that guy, but for this guy, yeah. So he decided that he hides the camera from me, so I actually worked. And the front end's kind of on. I gotta blame somebody. The front end's kind of on. Jason showed up to make noise with his 1,000 horsepower KT over there while we building, going back to 300.
290.
It's pretty sad. Hey, hey, whoa. Hey, this is a VHR. It's not a 3.5 like your. Your 260. Your 260 is nothing compared to my 300. Okay.
Here, I take my air filters.
It's gonna feel like 300 to me. So we making good progress. It ain't start yet. Asian actually got his mode out. I can't talk to them. They hating. Okay. Asian got his mode out after a lot of struggling, but he got it out. He's working on his 3.5 swap, and finally he's digging his HR out from the, what can I say, from his corner of motors. Just know that every motor here is Haitian. Every motor here. Why do you have so much motors, sir?
Why are they all outside? That's what we want to know. That's what YouTube and me want to know real quick.
Hey, YouTube, what does storage gonna look like? Anyways, take the plugs out. Take the plugs out, sir. Let's see how the porch looks. Oh, damn.
Oh shit.
Damn. Okay, we going for first startup. It may or may not run because Nick did all the work.
I want to leave. I want to go home.
Why are you in the way? Hey, hold on. Does it have oil in it?
It took it. I didn't drain it.
Okay, I guess it came out of a running car. Okay, go ahead. Hey, did you plug in the ECU? Okay, so I don't know what happened to the rest of the clip from the first start, but it did finally start it up because we didn't have the fuel pump power wire hooked up. But we got it started. It's running, and here goes the dyno clips. Plus some Jason car two-stepping before we leave that now. Yeah, you gotta go up and then down. Oh my god. That shit is insane. Fuck yeah. Yo!
I'm gonna record that.
Yeah, you can.